Bonjour, bonsoir. It depends the time you look at this video. Ça dépend de l'heure que vous regardez vidéo. Striker Discount is my name. I am your teacher for today. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about instead of saying very in English. And I am on the top of the world to be there with you all. Striker Discount c'est non pas professeur anglais pour la jeudi. C'est professeur anglais pour aujourd'hui. Dans la leçon, ça va l'enseigner ou si vous pas voulez utiliser very devant un mot, mais qui ça vous capable de dire. Au lieu de dire very in English. Still connected, and I am going back. Okay, as you can see on the board, instead of saying very in English, si vous pas dire very, as you can see, si vous pas dire very, vous capable dire l'autre bagay. Instead of saying very in English, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Now let's get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling means let's start. On commence. Okay? The first one is very interesting. Very interesting. Yon bagay ki vraiment intéressant. Very interesting. Si vous pas dire very interesting, if you don't want to say very interesting, you can say another word. You can say fascination. Fascination. Or you can say, oh, this movie is fascination. Film ça vraiment intéressant. Si vous pas dire very interesting, you can say fascination. After we got very intelligent. Very intelligent. Pour un monde qui est vraiment intelligent ou bien intelligent. Si vous parlez de very intelligent, you can say brilliant. 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 Or you can say, oh, my brother is brilliant. Yes, vraiment intelligent. After we got very poor. Very poor. Yon moun ki vraiment pauvre. Si vous parlez utiliser very poor, you can say destitute. Or this person is destitute. Moun sa vraiment pauvre. This person is destitute. After we got very rich. Yon moun ki vraiment rich. Like Bill Gates. I can say that. Very rich. Or I can say this man is very rich. Now, if you don't want to use very rich, you can say, or this person is well off. This person is well off. Ça veut dire moun sa vraiment riche. After, we got very big. Yon moun ki vraiment gros. Very big. Or you can say, or this person is enormous. It's not enormous. It's enormous. Enormous. Yes. You can say this person is enormous. After we got very expensive. Very expensive. Pour yon bagay ki vraiment cher. You can say, oh, this product is very expensive. Now, if you don't want to use very expensive, si vous pas voulez utiliser very expensive, you can say another word. If you don't want to use very expensive, you can say, or this product is exorbitant. This product is exorbitant. Ça veut dire produit ça vraiment cher. Okay? Now, as you can see, we got a very good. Very good. If you don't want to use very good, you can say or exceptional. Or exceptional. You can say, oh, this football is exceptional. Okay? If you don't want to say exceptional, si vous pas voulez dire exceptional, you can say or superb. 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 Very terrible. very terrible. Mon bagay ki vraiment terrible. Si ou pas table dit very terrible, you can say horrendous. It's not horrendous. Oh, it's horrendous. Horrendous. Oh, yesterday I made a horrendous accident. Yesterday I made a horrendous accident. Yeah, moi te fè un accident qui vraiment terrible. Si ou pas t'avais dit very terrible, you can say horrendous. Okay. After we got very old. Very old. If you don't want to say very old, you can say ancient. 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 Yes. Ancient. Okay. After we got very hot. Very hot. Non, vraiment chaud. Like vraiment chaud. Very hot. You can say, oh, this temperature is very hot. Température ça vraiment chaud. If you don't want to say very hot, you can say sweltering. Sweltering. Or you can say, oh, at this moment is sweltering. Nan moment ça li vraiment fait chaud. At this moment is sweltering. Okay. Practice this instead of saying in English. Okay? That's all for today. C'est tout ça nous te gagné pour aujourd'hui. In this lesson, you are learning instead of saying very in English. Au lieu de dire very en anglais. Si vous ne pouvez pas utiliser very devant un mot, vous capable de dire l'autre bagay. For example, if you don't want to say very interesting, you can say fascination. Fascination, yes. I think that you memorized this lesson. Je pense que vous mémorisez les leçons ça, and I think that you're gonna love it too. Pensez que vous apprenez. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Pas oublier aller sur channel là, like vidéo et abonner avec channel là. Share this video to everyone. Partagez vidéo ça avec tous les amis. Okay? It was your teacher. It was a wonderful moment in this lesson. Goodbye.